Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Bree. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to do our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription box. You get 4 to 5 deluxe to full-size makeup products in it. And this month's box theme is totally Boxycharm. We got some really cool and fun products in this box. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in this box and how I applied them to my face, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing in the box this month is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is originally $42, and it says that the lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. This is what the applicator looks like on it. I'm just going to squirt a little bit in my hand and rub it in. Ooh. It feels very, very hydrating. When it left my skin nice and dewy looking and a little bit tacky. That's what I look for in a primer. I liked it to have a little bit of a stick to it. Okay, so I did my foundation, concealer, and brows off of camera. For foundation, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I've been really loving this one. I have a full dedicated review and wear test on my channel as well. I will leave that linked down below if you are interested in checking that out. And then for concealer, I use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And then for my brows, I used the Essence Make Me Brow. And now moving on to the next product in the box. This is the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is $39, which is insane. It says, this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Ooh, I have really been wanting to try this out. This seems like a really cool, innovative product. So I'm super excited to test this out. Ooh, and the packaging is so beautiful. All of Becca's packaging is amazing. And it has a little lid here, which is cool. It says, keep me close to keep me cool. That just made a huge mess. Oh my gosh. Wow. And it has a little sifter as well. I'm going to carefully dip my sponge in here. Ooh. I'm going to set my under eyes with this. Oh my goodness. This feels literally like water going on my face. Oh, that is so weird, but so cool at the same time. It feels so nice on the under eye though. So nice. I'm just going to set my T-zone with it as well. And then I'm just going to take a powder brush and dip in here and set the rest of my face with it. This product is so cool. Oh my gosh. I honestly love it, but it feels kind of weird on your skin. It's a really odd sensation, but it's looking so beautiful. I'm so excited that this was included in the box. Okay, so there weren't any more face products in the box, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face off of camera. I used for bronzer the L'Oreal Bronze Please, the Milani Luminoso blush, my Rach Loves Pixie highlighter. I just used lace and zipper and just mix those two and put that on my cheek. And then I set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So now we're going to jump on to the eyes. We got 2 eye products in the box this month. These are from Ace Beauty. These are the Glimmer shadows. They just look like this. They remind me so much of ColourPop. Let's see here. They are $25. It says a high pigmented soft shadow with a creamy texture especially designed for the ultimate color payoff. I'm so torn between what I want to do for my eye look. I kind of just want to put this one in the crease, or maybe I should put this one on the crease and one on the lid. I don't know which one to do. I'm actually going to put the pink in the crease and then put the bronze on the lid, I think. Ooh, they do have a definite, like, wet formula to it. They feel almost identical to ColourPop. Oh my goodness. These are so pigmented. Holy moly. Let me zoom you guys in so that you can see this. Oh my gosh. You guys, my eyes are looking crazy. These are really pigmented though, so I think you could create a really cute eye look with these just for like a lid topper, not all over your eyes like I did, but I honestly am loving it. This brown one is called Iced Latte, and then the pink one is called Cotton Candy. Maybe if I put on some mascara, it will look better. And luckily there was a mascara in this box. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This is $23. It says an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Oh, and I am in love with the packaging on this. Look how hot pink that is. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and the wand looks very promising. It has like that same kind of wand that the Too Faced Better Than Sex one has. So good. So let's put this on our eyes. This mascara is looking so gorgeous. I'm really excited to keep testing this out. If it doesn't flake or smudge, I think this will be a beautiful mascara. The only drawback is that it's not like a tubing mascara. Tubing mascaras are my absolute favorite. They're so easy to clean off of your eye. It's the only drawback to that it's not, but like I said, if it doesn't flake or smudge, I think I'm going to really like this. And the last product that we got in this box this month was the Steve Laurent lip pencil. I got mine in the shade Vogue. It is, let's see here, it says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths up your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. This is $15 originally. And it is a wooden lip pencil, which aren't my favorites, but we're still gonna test it out. And it looks like it's gonna be a very waxy formula. That is the color right there. It's kind of a pretty purpley mauve color. So I'm just going to quickly line my lips with this. Okay, yeah, this one is kind of a dud in my opinion. I tried to go back over it like in a certain spots just to get more coverage on my lips, and it just is really starting to flake up and build up. This lip pencil is just too waxy, I think, so it's just it's not the greatest at all. Usually if it's a good lip liner, you can just throw it on your lips and wear it as your only lip product, but this one, however, that's not really the case. So this one, in my opinion, I don't like at all. Okay, I quickly just went and threw on a nude lip. I used the e.l.f. Natural Lip Liner. Then I went over it with the MAC Feelin' Sentimental Lipstick. And I think this is looking better with this lip on. The other one was just kind of throwing me off. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!